If you're ready to start your garage floor business, then it's time to enroll in the immersive, hands-on, one-day garage system class presented by Epoxy to You.
Well worth the money, learned a whole lot of stuff. I came in here not knowing nothing about epoxy. Now I feel like I'm a pro. Can't wait to get on my first job. To be honest with you, everything in the beginning was hard. I thought it was gonna be hard, but the training, they broke it down really simple. It's self-explanatory. The class, just take it and you'll be able to grasp everything, I promise.
It was very impressive, so very easy to apply. And thank you very much to you because you always train us to do the work better. Thank you.
I just completed the one-day garage training. Totally recommend it. Small class, hands-on, perfect for beginners, experts. Most thing I found challenging was mixing, but I think I'm pretty confident now. So I would like to thank Caleb, Greg, Chris, and there's a lot of other names to mention, but great class, totally recommend it.
Sign up today and formulate your success.